All right, mates, welcome back to the channel. Hope everybody is doing well. Today, we are going to take a look at really quickly here on TradingView Ethereum going into the weekend. Little Friday setup for everybody. Remember that 1550 cross is where that buy up entry signal went off. Let's open this up a little wilder for everybody. Remember, you can always get a free trial on TradingView. And you can use a lot of the free stuff without being a member and paying the paid subscription. So it's really great. You can use that. A lot of times if you're having believe it or not, a lot of times the exchanges are slow like today, because there's a lot of activity going on crypto. You can slide over to TradingView, and TradingView's server is pretty damn good, and very rarely ever goes down or gets frozen up. So what you're looking at here, I'm going to move my mug out the way so you guys can check this out. What you have here happening is we have the top off here at the 1700 level. Remember, we shorted all of that. We've shorted here, we shorted here, we shorted here, we shorted here. We actually bought up here, then we shorted here, okay? We missed this one right here, in terms of the signal went off. We just didn't get the trades in time before it popped back up. And then now we've gone in from right here. See that move right there at 1547? Our trade actually went in at 1550 with a good till count. So you can set that order up for whatever your entry was. It was the order we want. Wanted always a little bit above the line. So you can see here, like the moving average line was around 1447, 48. So you want to make sure that it kind of confirms above that. Don't just hit it right on its target sometimes, because that sometimes line can act as a resistance, and then you end up on the other end, and you got to wait for it to come back. So it's always good to wait on an hour stick. Really, a lot of times we use the 4 hour consistently to chart everything, because it's just it's more accurate than trying to guess and trying to play the ebb and flow of a 5 minute or 15-minute chart or some ridiculous 1 minute chart stuff. Because a news can drop right at any second, right? So it's better to have more of a bigger, broader 4 hour spectrum. Let the market absorb. Remember, you're trading behavior, you're not trading price. When you look at Ethereum today going into the weekend, this is really your zone, 1700, and then down here at 1430 channel, okay? So it's got a big berth to play with this weekend. But here's the buy signal. Like when inevitably people always ask me, how do you get in these trades right? Like how are you consistently getting in and out of trades at profitable levels, right? Or at, in the money levels. And it's really just using the method, okay? And being disciplined and understanding, the inevitability of behavior, right? Right now, why would anyone be fighting the trend? The trend is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times 4. That's 20 hours of behavior that you have at your back that's going to push you higher. Look how that wick was. That wick went all the way to 1647. Okay, we're currently at 1616. Okay, but again, this 4 hour stick, we are above 1581, which is the 7-day. We are above 1569, which is the 21-day. We are above 1545, which is the 30-day. So we are above 3 of our moving averages that we use to trade. Okay, so that's the signal telling you that it's got wind at its back, at least for now. Friday morning going in, like Friday afternoon, totally different session. Friday evening, totally different session. Okay, and so you've got to remember that. And then in the overnight, you've got the Far East, right, waking up, and they're trading. Okay, so always splice your day into trading sessions. Okay, not just one day. Okay. Trade in the morning, trade in the afternoon, trade in that early evening period. Most of the time is when you're going to be selling, and then in the evening, okay? And that's how you want to stay, depending on what session you're coming in at. Some folks only trade after 8 p.m. at night. And so they need to understand what's going to happen in the overnight period overseas, okay, before they hold any of those trades open overnight, okay? And so when you cross these, when you get a double cross, right, and that's say like it's convergence and divergence trading, right? Some people use the MACD. It's a great indicator. But you can just use the moving average.